Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Back to Concepts. Today we will discuss about Newton's first law of motion. This chapter is very interesting because यहाँ पर हमें किसी भी चीज को रटने की जरूरत नहीं है. Everything must be related to the physical world. Let's start. So before come to the definition of the Newton's first law, we will discuss some examples of Newton's first law of motion. Suppose it is a table and a book is laying on the table, and we will see the book for 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day or 2 days. Is it moved? No, not at all. Until or unless a force is applied on the book. So Newton's first law भी यही कहता है, a body at rest like book remain at rest until or unless a compelled force is applied on that. Okay, so ये तो बात होगी रेस्ट की. अब हम बात करते हैं मोशन की. What happened when we kick this football with our foot? We will notice that football covers some distance. Suppose it will going up to that point, and at that point the ball will stop. So why this ball is stopped here? Because of the force of friction or some effects of the air resistance is also there. Okay, so what happened if force of friction and air resistance is removed from the scenario? Then the ball is moving forever in a straight line with a constant speed, as this happened in the space where is a complete vacuum, no air, so no air resistance, no force of gravity, no force of friction. So if we are in the space and we kick the ball with our foot, at which force we will kick this ball, the ball move in the straight line with that speed, it will move forever until or unless a compelled force is applied on that. Okay, so let's take another example, a car. If we will pull the car without friction, the car will move in a straight line with constant speed. So there is no unbalanced force of friction which apply on the car, and the car will stop. So car will remain in the straight line forever until or unless a compelled force is applied on that. So most of you thought that ये तो बहुत अच्छा है कि हमें फ्यूल भी यूज नहीं होगा, हम जस्ट पुश करें और गाड़ी चल पड़े. फ्यूल तो यूज नहीं होगा, बट देयर आर वेरी रिस्ट्रिक्शन कि कार स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही मूव करेगी. अगर आप उसको टर्न करना चाहते हो तो नहीं होगी, अगर कार को रोकना चाहते हो तो नहीं रुकेगी. तो फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन के भी अपने इम्पोर्टेंस है हमारी लाइफ के अंदर. फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन है तो हम लिख पा रहे हैं, फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन है तो हम चल पा रहे हैं, फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन है तो हम सो पा रहे हैं, फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन है तो हम बैठ पा रहे हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जांपल ऑफ द न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ. इट इज ए meteorite which is actually a stone in the space which are moving in a straight line with the same speed. Sometimes you heard that कि एक पत्थर पृथ्वी पर गिरा और उसकी वजह से बहुत बड़ा खड्डा हो गया. ऐसा क्यों होता है जब स्पेस में तो वैक्यूम है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है, सपोज दिस इज ए स्टोन एंड इट इज मूविंग इन ए स्ट्रेट लाइन विद द सेम स्पीड and it is near to the atmosphere. One big stone collide with this light stone, and because of this opposing force, sometimes very rarely this stone enter into the atmosphere, when the stone enter into the atmosphere, a gravity pull the stone toward the center of the earth, and finally this stone is fall on the surface of the earth, which is known as the meteoroids. Newton's first law of motion apply on that place where no force of friction and where is no air resistance. Let's see the definition of the Newton's first law of motion. A body at rest will remain at rest, and a body in motion will continue to be in the motion in a straight line with a uniform speed unless it is compelled by an external force to change its state of rest or motion. So न्यूटन फर्स्ट लॉ बोलता है अगर कोई चीज रेस्ट में है तो वो रेस्ट में ही रहेगी, अगर कोई चीज मोशन में है तो वो मोशन में ही रहेगी until or unless a compelled force is applied on that. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please send your feedback in the comment box and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.